Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best, most trusted, and hands-on reviews for everything you need. And today, we're diving into what is arguably the best fabric paint set permanent washable, the Shuttle Art Fabric Paint Set. Right out of the box, this set makes a bold first impression. You get a collection of 18 vibrant, ready-to-use colors, each packaged in generously sized 60 ml bottles. The colors are rich, intense, and formulated to pop on both light and dark fabrics. And that's just the start. The box also includes 3 paint brushes, a reusable mixing palette, and 18 pattern sticker stencils. Whether you're a seasoned textile artist or a beginner just starting out, this kit sets you up for success right away. Now let's talk about the paint itself. One of the biggest highlights of this fabric paint is its permanency. Unlike many other brands that require a heat setting or an additional textile medium, Shuttle Art paint is washer-safe straight out of the bottle. Once it dries, it stays. It won't peel, crack, or fade even after going through repeated wash cycles. That's a game-changer for DIY clothing projects. Imagine designing your own t-shirts, jeans, shoes, or canvas bags without worrying about your artwork washing away. And it's not just about lasting power. This paint glides on easily, with a soft, flexible finish that blends beautifully. You can layer colors, mix them to create custom shades, and even use them over textured surfaces like denim or canvas. It sticks well to both synthetic and natural fibers, which makes it a versatile choice for almost any project. Safety is another area where Shuttle Art stands out. The paints are certified non-toxic and acid-free, conforming to both USASTM 4236 and N71-3 standards. That means they're safe for use by all ages, a perfect option for family craft days, school art projects, or gifting to a young creative artist. The inclusion of stencils really elevates the creative possibilities. Whether you're designing a bold graphic tee, or adding subtle accents to a tote bag, the stencils help guide your designs and open up artistic options without requiring advanced drawing skills. And let's not overlook the value here. For the price, you're getting a complete, all-in-one set that doesn't just give you paint, but a whole experience. It's designed for convenience, ease of use, and results that actually last. You won't need to purchase anything extra, no heat press, no fixatives, just your fabric and your imagination. To wrap it up, the Shuttle Art Fabric Paint Set combines quality, ease of use, and vibrant results that truly last. Whether you're customizing your wardrobe, creating personalized gifts, or just exploring your creativity through textiles, this set is more than capable of bringing your vision to life. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. And if you're ready to give your fabrics a splash of permanent personality, check out the Shuttle Art Fabric Paint Set now. Happy painting!